Shout out to Lountu Nation. Guys, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe.
Hey, what's good, YouTuber? It's your boy Lountu_SA. Hey, boys, we back at it again. You know what I mean? It's another vlog. You know, crazy how I started this one. So yeah, just bought myself a young chiller's punch. You all should try this flavor though. It slaps, no cap. Me and my cameraman we still preparing, dog. Holla to the king. Oh, yeah. Shout out. So we're just chilling with the boys here, you know. This is our hard man. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, make sure that you like the video, make sure that you comment down below. Now I think I'm gonna cut the vlog, but then I'm gonna keep you updated. Yeah, but yeah, shout out to Young Peace one more time, boy. Shout out to him, and please make sure that you check him out on all social media platforms. It's just Young Peace, you know what I mean? Yeah, very dope bro, dope artist, dope upcoming artist, you know. So let's make sure that we show love. This is not a school project. No, man, I wanted to know that guy. He's from church right now.
Yeah, he's from church.
And your man, and your man is still coming.
Yeah, my man is still coming.
Your man is not a mountain. Okay, my bad.
He's not a mountain because he's coming to fetch me. He's not a mountain to climb.
No, he's not a mountain. He can be moved at any time. I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
Yeah,
And you, like you.
I'm just saying, he can't be moved. He's not a mountain. He can't just be moved.
No,
He can't just be moved like a mobile toilet.
Okay. Can I have your 10? Yeah.
Why?
Now I just wanna.
Why are you taking my
You are such a vibe, Nem. Not gonna lie.
I'm such a vibe.
I wanna be your friend.
A friend.
Yeah.
A friend. You can be a friend on Instagram.
Yeah. Can I escape your Insta?
Matlati Malapel on Instagram.
Go, Matlati Malap.
And also,
I'm gonna improve now, but if you can give me your 10s, I'm gonna do better next time. Yeah. My business
just,
wants up.
Just imagine.
I'm just.
Listen. Just imagine my man listening to this vlog and seeing what I give you. I give you my 10s.
He's not gonna see this.
Who said he's gonna?
Okay, give me one of your friends who can give me your 10s. Fetch him now. Let's go and fetch him now.
Must fetch him and bring him.
Yeah. Let's go. I want one. You can give me. Save me his 10s, boys. Can I get in the middle, like in between you guys? Yeah, you can send us. Wait. I'm gonna tell you my name because people know me. You know what I mean? Yeah, my people. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you my name. My name is Lountu. Lountu. Yeah, it's Lountu. Yeah, can you pronounce that?
You don't look Lountu and stuff.
I look like what?
You look like Mamelodi and.
So, imagine, bro. I'm not even from here. This is my first time here, but they say
First time.
I'm telling you, I'm being for real.
I don't do the vlog thing.
No. I just wanted to ask you something.
Okay.
Yeah. First of all, what's your name, by the way?
Kanala.
Chonolo. Oh, nice to meet you. What does it mean, Chonolo? I'm Zulu. I'm Zulu. Blessings. Okay, can you bless me with your 10s then? Why not? You've got a man. Nah, your man. You see, you brought me a wrong person.
You said I must bring you my friend.
Okay, you guys should be my friend.
I can give you my 10s, but the instant I can.
Yeah. Okay. Let's search. Let's just search it, guys. You guys good? Hey, this is not international influencer.
That's my Insta handle.
Okay, it's let me tell the people, you know. It's Matlati Malapela. Okay, are you petty?
Can I go?
No, you can't go.
Baby, so what do you mean?
And then you, what's yours?
I don't have an Insta.
Can I put my 10s here?
Where?
Here on your
I
phone.
know. Oh,
Can I? Wait, come, chill. That is really not. That is really
Then
like
what
a
if
nice.
actually, what if my man finds your tits in my phone? Then what's waiting?
No, but like I'm not gonna wait. I'm not
You're
gonna
not gonna do
disturb.
what?
I'm not gonna disturb your man's and your relationship. No ways.
Really?
Like I'm not gonna cross that boundary. Yeah, this is me. You can just like text me. Yeah, this is me. You already got my
You can
text.
text anytime.
Yeah.
Even now I can text.
Yeah, you can text me.
You
You
see
just
if that it works.
yeah, it works. My number works. I can't give you
I'm
numbers.
good.
Okay, can I get your Insta handle? It's fine.
I don't
Your
have
IG. Chad. She has it and she's lying. But you brought me the wrong one. Let's fetch another one. I want the right one.
Which one?
Right
What
one.
is the right
The
one?
one that's gonna give me the chance. You can search me, yeah.
Which one?
I don't
You know, you
do.
did.
Oh wait,
It's not visible.
No, it's
It's not visible.
wait, you're not typing the.
Visible.
She isn't typing the right
It's not
word.
visible.
When is your man coming?
I don't know.
I can take you home.
That's the only
No.
person I know.
L. But me, I want your friend, the friend that's gonna give me the attends.
That's my friend. Which friend?
Okay,
do I have to go with
another
right now?
one. Your table is full.
It's cool, but they're not my friends. Do you know when you get invited
Yeah,
by a friend
yeah.
and then they have other friends?
Okay.
Yeah, that's
As
how
long
it
as
is.
long as I got
I
her
don't have
attends.
friends.
Okay, when can we do our first date?
First date.
Yeah, for the vlog. Yeah,
A vlog.
yeah.
And my man is going to see that vlog.
No, your man. You know what, man? We need to cancel your man in this conversation. No, listen. We're gonna set.
We
We're
have
gonna
travel in paradise.
wait. Are we gonna fetch another one?
I can now have your power bank.
Okay. No.
I must
Me.
bring back your power bank.
Me. I want. Okay. Me. I want your other friends dead. Cause you have a man. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I agree on that one. Yeah. Okay.
But canceling my man in this vlog.
Say bye bye. Say bye bye to my chat. Say bye bye to my chat. Bye bye to the vlog. Bye guys.
Does it have a name, your vlog?
Shout out to
Just
Lountu
the name.
Nation. Shout out to Lountu Nation. Lountu Nation.
Shout out to Lountu Nation.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tebiso. Oh, okay, Tebiso. My name is Lountu.
Okay, nice to meet you.
And you are pretty, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love pretty hands. They are my type. You are definitely also my type. Can I have your sense?
Huh?
Can I have your sense?
Yeah.
Yo, Chaz, I'm high, Chaz. I'm high as fuck. I'm not gonna lie.
Everyone is high, everyone is drunk.
You know what I mean? It's a vibe. You know what I mean? Yeah. So can I take you out on a date? Can I take you out on a date? Like I mean, can I vlog with you? I'm on YouTube and yeah. Text me now. Hello, do you have a man? Yeah, you don't have a man. She doesn't have a man.
That's why.
Today I'm gonna be your man.
Be my man.
Okay, people can see you. Like, are you gonna pull up for another vlog?
I'm not sure.
Are you not sure? But if my people ask you to pull up, would you come? You smell so good, bro.
I'm a woman. I'm supposed to smell good.
Yeah. Okay, now it's a vibe. You know, we're just gonna go inside, bro. We out here, We're using my mic. I don't know where. Can I just get in between the two of you guys? Yeah, you guys are looking so cute. Hey, John, not content again.
No, it's fine. Look like a camera shy.
Yeah, what's your name? By the way? Looking so Yo, I even forgot that. Yo, guys, please forgive me that don't care. Like, what is bad? Like, take us through. Actually, I can see and honestly, like, I have said, you mentioned what the deal was, this was all there. Me, I found out today, and the boy didn't tell me. I only wear, like, you know, black shorts, black shorts. I didn't know it's an old black sash. You know what I mean?
So you came without, like, being on a thing? Okay,
So it's a problem. You guys have to forgive me and all, you know, but it's still vibes, you know. Kind of, what's your name, Chomi? What inspired you? Nothing. You just leave. That's how you are. Okay. Can I ask you, what's one thing that you never tell your home girls?
Your home girls.
What thing that you do? Be honest. Is she a home girl? Nah, be honest. Okay, no, you eat the girl. They don't know. You don't know. She's a girl. You don't know.
I'm not cheating. Like, I'm just telling this girl everything.
She knows everything.
She knows everything about myself. I swear, I'm not cheating.
Like, she even knows when was the first time you got wet.
She knows very well, like every detail. She can tell you.
You also know about her.
Hey, she's very, you see, I'm surprised when she says she's into girls.
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
You didn't know about that?
Nah, but then I knew, like somehow I knew. But then I was waiting for the right moment for her to tell me, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So because you guys are girls, you know. Oh, so
Yes, the same way you say guys is girls.
yeah.
I'm into girls.
Me, I'm into you guys. Can I have your tent?
Yeah, like both of us.
Me, I'm into you. Like, I'm into either one of you. I'm into women. You're one of them. So yeah, like, I'm also straight. The way you are straight, I'm also straight.
I'm straight, but I'll get she says that she's into girls. So how are we? Like, will you be able to handle that? Oh, I'm asking, will you be able to handle that? So you are like bisexual.
But yeah, as I was saying, I'm into you guys. Can I have your tent?
Our tent.
Yeah.
No, that must make it a big.
Your bag. Me, I'm late. Like, are you into my level? Are you into like the level?
Now we are not rich, but then we are at you see your vibe.
Yeah.
We are at that level. You saw us dancing, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Nah, the dancing, like, nah, the vibe is too much. I'm not gonna lie. You guys are a vibe on your own, you know.
Thank you so much. I swear, those girls miss us now.
Hey, they miss you guys.
They miss us.
Okay, can we get a group hug, you know? Shout out to my YouTube channel. Me, I'm Lountu. My name is Lountu. My YouTube channel is Lountu Nation. So we're gonna say shout out to Lountu Nation, like in the count of three. Yeah?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Shout out to Lountu Nation.
Guys, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe.
Dako, can I get a group hug? Yeah. Subscribe.
064.
No, all I'm saying is, I wanna be a man.
Like we just wear it. You become a man.
No. Okay, my people.
How beautiful! I don't really believe in that.
This is my family, Lountu Nation. Okay, I love guys, I love the one who's camera shy. So this one, she's definitely gonna be the one because she's camera shy.